When a guaranteed investment certificate with Tangerine Bank reaches its maturity date, the principal amount you invested alongside all the interest you have accumulated becomes fully available. What happens next depends entirely on the maturity instructions you set up for that specific account. You have several distinct paths you can choose from when managing your maturing funds. First, you can choose to renew both your original principal and the earned interest into a brand new GIC matching the same term length, utilizing whatever the current posted interest rate is at that time. Second, you can opt to roll over just the principal into a new GIC of the same term, while having the interest payout directly deposited into your savings or checking account. Third, you can reinvest both the principal and interest into a completely different term length. Fourth, you can choose to move only the principal into a different term length while payout occurs for the interest. Finally, you can instruct the bank to pay out both the principal and the total interest earned directly to your linked account as cash. If you do not select a specific preference ahead of time, your GIC will typically follow whatever default maturity instruction is already active on the account profile. You can easily check, modify, or update these instructions at any point while your GIC is still active. To do this through digital banking, you simply log into your mobile app or online account, select your GIC account, navigate to the maturity options menu, and save your preferred choice. Making sure these instructions reflect your current financial goals prevents your money from automatically locking into a term or payout method you did not intend. Reviewing your choices before the maturity date gives you total control over whether you want to continue growing your savings safely or access your cash for other expenses. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.